Got a RAV4 here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your rear strut right here, which is right here. So I got the car jacked up. Got two jacks just to be safe. Got my jack right here. Now it's got the bolt right here is a 17mm. One here, one there. I have my ratchet set up like this so I can grip it from here. So go ahead and take that 17 bolt off, and then right underneath here you got plenty of room to remove this one, or you remove it from here, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove the top one first. It's a 17, so I'm gonna loosen it up, and then I'm gonna use my ratcheting wrench to remove the rest of it so my ratchet doesn't get stuck right there. Alright, so I use my ratchet to break it loose, and I'm using my ratcheting wrench to remove this bolt. Just keep turning it, and then we're gonna remove the bottom one. So now when I was turning this nut right here, started turning with it, so I put another 17 right there just to kind of hold it in place while I loosen this up right here. Alright, so we're gonna remove the top bolt. That's loose right here. And we're gonna do the bottom one right there. Now the bottom one, actually when you take it off, it's gonna get stuck right here. So you can see it's getting stuck right here, so I can't take the lower bolt off. What we're gonna do is, you have two bolts here, we're gonna go take those two off. They are 17mm. Alright guys, so I took off these two bolts right here. They are 17. I used my 17 deep socket with an extension. Now we can slide this bolt off, and now we can remove the old strut, compare it to the new one, make sure it's the same, and then we're going to put the new one in. So just align it right here, put your bolt back on in there. Alright, so I went ahead and put the top bolt in there. It's not tight yet, and at the bottom. So I went ahead and, instead of putting this side right here to this side, you can actually put this side right here, and then the nut on this side. So next time you have to replace it again, you can just slide the bolt off without removing this. Then go ahead and put your 17mm bolt back on, tighten everything up, make sure that top one's tight, bottom one's tight, and that's it guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, comment below. Give me a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching.